Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to chrome your bike easy guide. First, clean and disassemble parts you plan to chrome, labeling pieces and hardware. Sand to smooth bare metal, remove rust, and degrease with a solvent. Mask off areas not being chromed and set parts on a stable rack or stand for even coating. Take your time with preparation because surface quality determines the final chrome shine you'll get. Choose a method that fits your budget and goals, comparing electroplating, chrome spray, and chrome wrap techniques. For durable, authentic chrome, consider pro plating services that handle polishing and sealing. If you want a quicker, lower-cost result, try a high-quality chrome spray in multiple light coats with sanding between layers. Wraps can simulate chrome without chemicals and are removable for customization or future resale. When painting, use a primer designed for metal and follow with ultra-thin chrome coats, building color slowly to avoid runs and orange peel. Wet sand lightly between coats if surface imperfections appear, then finish with a glossy clear coat to protect the chrome look. For plated parts, buff to a mirror shine and apply a protective wax or sealant to slow oxidation and maintain that showroom brilliance throughout seasonal rides.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.